The first business that is lined up is Diwali home cleaning services. So, for this, the person who is involved in this kind of business earns a lot during Diwali. Hi everyone, this is me Mokshi Gambhir and I welcome you all to Quick Wits की पहली दिवाली की दूसरी वीडियो. And again, I wish you a very happy Diwali in advance. Due to this coronavirus, most of the people have been suffering because the businesses they have been shut down. People have lost their jobs. So each and every one of us is suffering, be it emotionally, be it physically, or be it financially. So here I'm having the list of 6 top or another businesses which we can do to make our Diwali the best. So without any further ado, let's start the video. The first business that is lined up is Diwali home cleaning services. So for this, the person who is involved in this kind of business earns a lot during Diwali because everyone they get their houses cleaned during Diwali. So all you can do is either you can do a startup or you can open your own company where you can appoint workers or those who are ready to help each other by cleaning their houses. So you can take orders from the ones who want someone to clean their house. And then you can send your appointed workers or laborers to send to their houses to get their houses cleaned. So this is a very much trendy business people get into during Diwali. The second business that is lined up is the business of a real estate agent. So this is also the business that earns a lot during Diwali because the bookings of properties it increases by 40% during Diwali. So all you have to do is you have to become a real estate consultant if you have the knowledge regarding this field. And all you need is a good internet connection, a good telephonic connection, and either a laptop or a computer. The third business that is lined up and that also earns a lot during Diwali is the business of recycling or the junker business. So during Diwali, people get their houses cleaned and they sell all the junk or the recycling substances or the materials to the junker. So what all you have to do is you have to buy all the material from the junker, and for that you have to raise a fund because whenever you will buy the junk from the junker, you have to pay him some price, some money. And after buying this junk, you have to look for a company that deals in all these junks and recycling material, and then you can send or then you can sell this junk or the recycling material to that company, and you can earn a lot of profit or a handsome amount in return. The fourth business that is lined up and is also one of the businesses that earns a lot during Diwali, that is online selling of edibles. So all you can do is either you can sell laddus online or chocolates, handmade chocolates or sweets or some Diwali snacks online. All you have to do is either you have to make an Instagram page or a Facebook page. So all you have to do is you have to create a social media account of yours or of your bakery or of your small startup, and all you have to do is you have to take the orders online and deliver those sweets and chocolates or Diwali snacks to their places. So this is the business that earns a lot during Diwali because nowadays due to corona people are avoiding going out to shops. So this is the best option, like the online delivery of sweets, chocolates will do a lot good. Next is online selling of dresses. So nowadays, due to coronavirus and this pandemic, people are avoiding social distancing. So rather, they are switching on to the online mode of shopping. So all you can do is you can sell those dresses online. What you can do is, if you have a store or you have a boutique, but due to this pandemic nobody is coming at your place, so all you can do is you can make a social media account of yours. You can upload the pictures of all your designer suits or your lehengas or all the unique dresses. You can post them on the social media, and there you can mention the rates so that the buyers, if any buyer want the home delivery, so you can deliver those dresses to their places also. So stepping on to the last business. So this is also the business which earns a lot during Diwali, and this is such a common business. Like, this is the selling of Diwali decorative items or the home decors online. For example, diyas, candles, or all the chalers, the curtains, flower pots, etc., etc., online. So people also earn a handsome amount by selling all these decorative items online. So that's it for the videos, and these were the small ideas, so small business ideas you can surely give a try if you want to keep yourself busy in one or the other thing. Rest is up to you. So thank you so much, and if you learned something new from this video, then do like, share, comment, and please subscribe to our channel, and do watch another videos which are lined up in the playlist Quick Wits Ki Pehli Diwali. Thank you, stay tuned, bye bye, and a very happy Diwali in advance.